Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best tools to help you get the job done right. Today, we're talking about the WEN 6301SP Palm Sander Sandpaper, a must-have for anyone using an electric sander. If you're on the hunt for the best sandpaper for your electric sander, this is it. Whether you're resurfacing wood, smoothing out rough patches, or tackling a DIY project, this sandpaper pack is designed to make your job easier and give you professional results every time. The WEN 6301SP Palm Sander Sandpaper comes in a pack of 12 sheets with an assortment of grits 80, 100, 120, and 240, giving you all the versatility you need for different sanding tasks. With 3 sheets of each grit, you'll be able to smoothly transition between coarse, medium, and fine grits for precise material removal and finishing. The variety of grits ensures that no matter the project, you have the right tool for the job. One of the standout features of this sandpaper is its hook and loop backing. This makes attaching and detaching the sandpaper to your electric sander a breeze. No more struggling with tricky clips or adhesives. The hook and loop system is secure, but also quick and easy to change out, saving you valuable time when switching between grits. Designed specifically to work with the WEN 6301 electric palm sander, this sandpaper fits perfectly and provides consistent, even sanding. It's not just about fit though, it's also built to last. The construction of these sheets ensures that they won't wear down too quickly, even with heavy use, which means you can get the job done without constantly having to replace your sandpaper. When it comes to material removal and resurfacing, this sandpaper really shines. The combination of the right grit range and the durable backing means that you can handle everything, from light sanding to more aggressive smoothing, making it perfect for a wide variety of surfaces like wood, metal, or plastic. To sum it up, if you're using an electric sander and want sandpaper that performs, is easy to use, and lasts long, the WEN 6301SP Palm Sander Sandpaper Pack is the perfect choice for you. It's the best sandpaper for electric sanders, hands down. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more tool reviews that help you make the best choices for your home improvement projects.